How to fix download folders not responding on Windows 10 or 11. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix download folders not responding on Windows 10 or 11. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So you just need to head over the search bar and type in CMD, that is the command prompt. After that, the CMD prompt will appear on your screen where you need to type in the prompt that I'm showing on my screen. After that, hit enter, and it may take a while for it to complete, for the prompt to run. And you can see this prompt on my screen, that is online cleanup emails, restore health. You may just type in that. After that, cross it out and restart your device. And after restarting, just get over to the command prompt again, and this time type in a new prompt, that is sfc/scan now. After that, hit enter and wait for the scan to be completed again. And after that, you may just cross it out and open the settings of a device. And here you just need to scroll down a bit until you are able to see update and security. Just click on update and security. After that, open it up and go to troubleshoot section. After your troubleshoot will open up, you need to go to additional troublemakers option. Just scroll down a bit if you can't find it. After that, click on additional troubleshoots, and you need to just scroll down a bit. Just scroll a bit until you are able to see option called Windows Store Apps, and click on Run the Troubleshooter. After that, just right click on it, and that's it. That's you need to do basically, and therefore just follow that step and you should be able to fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.